Welcome, in front of me is HP EliteBook 745, and in this video I will show you how to perform a factory reset operation on this laptop. To perform a factory reset operation, first of all, plug in the charging cable and make sure that you plug it in properly so that you see that your battery is being charged. Next, go to the Start menu, open Settings, then go to System and scroll down to Recovery option, open the Recovery menu, and next to Reset this PC option, click Reset PC icon. Then if you want to reset settings, you can select Keep Your Files option, and after that proceed with this reset. But if you want to perform a full factory reset, which will erase everything from your computer and reinstall Windows on your device, go with Remove Everything. If you are connected to the internet, you can decide whether you want to reinstall your Windows locally, selecting this option, or download it from the cloud. Now, if you are preparing your device for a sale, surely go with the first option, just like in case if your system files are corrupted. For example, if you suspect that there is some kind of malware on your device and you want a clean copy of a Windows, then go with the first one. And generally speaking, the first method is more clean than the second one, because you get the clean new copy of a Windows. But I will go with the local reinstallation because I simply want to perform a factory reset and I don't want it to take long. So select one of two options, then go to Change Settings, and here you can also select the previous, change the previous setting, and under the Clean Data you can switch the toggle, which will determine whether you just remove your files if you select No, which is quicker but less secure, or if you switch this toggle to the right, you will completely clean the drive, which will take a lot of time, but it will make it much harder to recover files. So generally speaking, this is an option if you want to sell your computer afterwards, or if you suspect that you suspect that there is malware on your computer, then the second option will be much more secure for you. I will go with No because I don't want the operation to take such a long time. Then once you're content with your choice, click Confirm, and on the following page select Next when you're ready. And then to perform a factory reset operation, click Reset. But before you click Reset, if you aren't going to download your Windows from the cloud, and if you have some updates pending on your computer, it's better if you disconnect from the Wi-Fi, because this way your reset will complete much faster, because Windows has a default setting for installing the updates before you perform a factory reset, so which is absolutely meaningless, because you are downloading updates that you are about to uninstall and reset your PC fully. So if you want to perform a quick reset and you don't want to download Windows from the cloud, it would be best for you if you disconnect from your Wi-Fi. Then when you're ready, click Reset and wait for the operation to complete. And once the factory reset operation is finished, you will see the setup menu on your screen, and that will be the finish of the process. So if you want to know how to perform the initial setup with or without a Microsoft account, we have videos on our channel that you can check out. So if you need any of them, Go ahead and check them out. And for this one, that will be all. So thank you so much for watching it. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.